If you can't cook, I've got good news. You're not lazy and you're not bad at it. Nobody ever taught you a system. And that's all cooking actually is, a system, not talent. By the end of this video, you'll be able to put together a whole week of high protein food that actually tastes good, even if you've burned water before. Here's exactly what you're walking away with. 3 cooking methods that cover almost everything, the simple formula for a meal that builds muscle, how to make protein that isn't dry and sad, and how to prep a week of food in about an hour. No fancy equipment, no chef skills, just a repeatable system you'll actually stick to. Let's get into it. Every good muscle building meal is basically the same equation: a protein, a carb, a vegetable, and something that makes it taste good. That's it. Chicken, rice, broccoli, a good sauce, beef, potatoes, peppers, seasoning. Once you see the formula, you stop needing recipes, you just swap pieces in and out. This one idea is what separates people who meal prep for years from people who quit in a week. You're not memorizing meals. You're learning a pattern. Bridge. So how do you actually cook the protein without it coming out like cardboard? That's where most people lose it. So let's fix that. You only need 3 ways to cook, and they cover 90% of everything. 1. The sheet pan. Throw protein and veggies on a tray, season oven does the work while you do something else. 0 skill required. 2. The one-pan stovetop. Protein and veg in a single pan, high heat, done in 10 minutes. 3. The batch cooker. Rice cooker, slow cooker, instant pot, set it, forget it, and you've got a week of carbs ready. Master those 3 and you can cook basically anything. That's the whole toolkit. This is where people give up: dry, bland chicken. So here's the fix, and it's simple. 1. Don't overcook it. Most bad chicken is just cooked too long. Pull it the second it's done. 2. Season before, not after. Salt, pepper, garlic, paprika. Coat it before it hits the heat. 3. A little fat is your friend. A bit of olive oil makes everything taste better and helps you absorb nutrients. Do those 3 things and your protein goes from a punishment to something you actually look forward to. Same for beef, same for fish, same for eggs. Bridge. But here's the real secret weapon nobody talks about. Flavor is the difference between meal prep you stick to and meal prep you throw away on day 3. And it's the easiest thing to fix. Keep a few sauces and spice blends on hand: hot sauce, a good low sugar BBQ, salsa, a teriyaki, whatever you like. Build a flavor, not just a meal. The healthiest meal in the world is useless if you won't eat it. Make it taste good, and consistency takes care of itself. That right there is the part the fitness world skips, and it's the part that actually keeps you on track. Now you put it together. Pick 2 proteins, 2 carbs, 2 veggies. Cook the proteins on the stove, carbs in the batch cooker, veggies on a sheet pan, all at the same time. While one's in the oven, you're working the stove. In about an hour, you've got a week of food. Portion it into containers, mix and match so you're not eating the same plate every day, and you're done. That's the system. That's all it ever was. Here's what I want you to actually take from this. You don't need to be a chef. You need a system you'll repeat. The people with the bodies you admire aren't cooking gourmet meals. They're cooking the same simple good food over and over on purpose. Learn the formula, master 3 methods, make it taste good. Do that, and the kitchen stops being the thing that holds you back and becomes the thing that changes everything. If this made cooking feel doable instead of overwhelming, subscribe. That's the whole point of this channel. Take the stuff that feels hard and make it simple. Comment prep if you want me to drop a full week of done-for-you meals next. And if you want your meals planned for you automatically, that's literally what the Ripped 360 app does. Links below. Ripped City Inc., built for the ones who show up in the gym and the kitchen. I'm Tyrone. I'll see you in the next one.